Okay, you're not on Facebook. Wow, wow, it's okay anyway. It's fine. So, which of the social media are you on? Yeah, which of the social media is it? Instagram. Although me, I'm not on Instagram. I deleted my Instagram. So the only place, only social media that I do is Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Sorry, and TikTok, not Instagram. I deleted my Instagram. Dominic, Dominic, you are welcome. Thank you very much, guys. Let's keep moving. Let's keep supporting each other. You are welcome, Dominic. You are welcome. You're welcome, Dominic. Where are you watching from? Okay, you're on WhatsApp. All right. Okay. So you're not on TikTok. Oh, Rude Namibia. Dominic, you're welcome. My African brother, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate. At the left hand side, Dominic, at the left hand side, you will see a like button. Just tap on it and like. Thank you very much. Oh, Kidix. Thank you very much, my brother. Guys, support my dear sister by hitting the like button and subscribing to her channel. Thank you very much, my beloved brother. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, Dominic. All right, you are welcome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Dominic, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Just subscribe. After I once I end this live stream, I will reciprocate back, you get. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your support, guys. Yeah, thank you very much. So if you are joining, you are welcome. Oh, God. So guys, if you're just joining, you're welcome. This live stream will be a 1 hour live stream. 1 hour. Once it's 1 hour, I will just end it. Hey God. Jesus, you have done it again. Jesus, you. So, guys, if you're just joining, you're welcome. If you are just joining, you are welcome.